It's over.
You jackass!
Another one of our happy times here at the fabulous McDonald's. Yeah. It's been a pretty interesting day.
There's a kid in there, and he keeps staring at us. We keep catching him staring at us, and it's pretty awkward.
It is pretty awkward.
Super awkward.
Like, if we had been inside, I probably would have said something, because you know I do that. Like, at this very moment, he did it again! We just caught another look. People. It's
Yeah.
pretty exciting stuff. I think we should say something, but we don't know what.
Tell him to come here.
I don't want to tell him to come here.
Tell him to come here.
No.
Tell him to come here.
No.
Tell him to come here.
No.
Tell him to come here. Please. I love you.
Not through a window.
I love you.
If we had been
I love
inside,
you.
I would. Oh, I love you too.
I love you.
But I'm not gonna go.
I love you. Just be like,
Yeah, just like.
please. No, that's some weird seductive shit. Just tell him to come here.
No.
I need to spit my game like a
Spit your game.
like a real thug,
Spit your
dude.
game. Go talk to kid.
Go talk.
Go talk to kid.